How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you will land to the home page. At the top right, you will find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the username of the Facebook account that you want to delete. After you head towards the profile of the Facebook account you want to delete, what you have to do is click on three dots. Now you will find different options. Click on the option of Report Profile. Please select a problem. Select the option of pretending to be someone. Who are they pretending to be? Click on Me. Click on Submit. Click on Next. Click on Done. Once you report for this profile, now you can ask your friends and family as well to report for this profile. After this Facebook account gets maximum number of report, this account will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete all Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.